Hi everyone, it's Erlene of Erlene Garcia Art and the Hollywood Carney channel. This is a super short video because I wanted to show you guys a before and after of a mannequin. This is the after and this is the before. This mannequin, I believe, came from Knott's Berry Farm a long time ago. So I wanted to update his makeup, or let's just say his paint job. And I have a project coming up in the future that I needed a mannequin for. And I was really happy that my sister found this for me. So again, let's take a quick look at the before. They just did a rough job on the paint. I decided to mix together several colors, and they were just inexpensive little ones from Michael's, and I just kept layering and layering, blending and mixing. I wanted to give him a more realistic look. That's some temporary black paint on his eyes to test to give depth, but of course I had put too much, so I kind of painted over it and then did a little bit of blending and adding eyebrows, a little bit of under eyeliner, and this was the after effect. I was happy with the skin tone. I glued some fake eyelashes on him. Added the black pouch that my sister made for me a few years ago. It was a cell phone bag, and just made it into his medicine bag. That's one of my old chokers, and he came with the breastplate and the other regalia. The hat is mine. So let's take another quick look at before and then after. I am so happy with the way he came out. I'll probably touch up maybe his eyebrows and add a couple of other colors in it to make his eyebrows look a little bit more realistic. So my future project that I have coming up, he will be the star of it. And oh, those are my feathers on his hat. And let's take one more quick look. I'm really happy with him, and having him in, yes, I do wear that hat. Having him in my office scared me a couple of times, and then I moved him to the dining room, and I didn't tell my boyfriend, and well, when Peter was walking by, I heard him scream. But so right now, I need to find a cool Indian name for him. So if anybody has any suggestions, I would love it. And as some of you know, my Native American name is Chasing Rainbows. I am of the Chickasaw Nation and California Mission Indian. So now I need to have my sister find me a cowboy mannequin so they could be friends. And of course, I will film his recreation, spurs and all. I actually just received a vintage pair of spurs, so I can't wait to use them on the mannequin. And also, I want to thank all of the new subscribers. I sincerely appreciate that you took the time to subscribe and to watch my videos. It means a lot to me. So you guys have a happy day, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.